Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Today I am keeping it simple, what stands out, what to check, and who the pet care find is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Powerful suction performance 75W motor delivers up to 12,000 pascals strong suction, effectively picking up dust, crumbs. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Long battery runtime 7.4V cordless design provides 14 to 24 minutes of continuous use, meeting daily cleaning needs. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Versatile accessories equipped with stair brush, floor brush, long/short blower nozzles and blower nozzle brush. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are pet-friendly, easy care, and daily use. The one caution is simple, check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict, the pet care find looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.